So my 1950 Jowett Javelin came to me with this cheapo depot kind of hot rod, I don't know, turn signal switch. And I wanted to make the Trafficators work too, but on a single thing. So I finally got that taken care of. Got the Trafficators with the flashicator bulbs. And the front and the rears are working. And then the clockwork on the switch, boom, pops down. The right side is doing the same, but do have a problem where my Trafficator doesn't want to come up. With a little help, it comes up. And the clockwork turns it off. So, pretty happy with that.